to this video. In this video, I will show you that how you can create a Stripe payment method for your customers. So to add this Stripe payment method to your customers, we will click on plugins and add new button.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
And from here, we can search for Stripe. And in the Stripe payments, you can click on install now. It is the official WooCommerce plugin for Stripe payment gateway. We can click on activate button. And here we have activated the Stripe. So to customize this type, we have to click on WooCommerce and click on settings. Here from the settings button, we will click on payments. From the payments, we will edit these types. Here this type you can see, and we will enable this Stripe payment method. There are many payment methods for Stripe: credit card, Stripe, or SCPA debit card, SOFORT, Banner Contact, etc. So we will enable the Stripe credit card and we will click on setup button. And here in this type, you have to manually create a public key and secret key for this type. You can add these keys by creating a Stripe account and searching for Google. And here this Stripe WooCommerce official docs. You can read this WooCommerce official documentation, which I will provide you in the course text. You can check it out there. And now we are going to customize the PayPal. We can also customize this PayPal by adding live API username, password, and other keys by searching for PayPal integration for WooCommerce. Here you can also check PayPal standard official document from WooCommerce. I will also add this in the course. So now we have successfully added the Stripe and PayPal payment methods.